Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in achieving this look, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, so we are starting out with the Makeup Revolution cut crease, and this is in the color Create. We're just going to apply this all to our lids like an eyeshadow base blue. I've seen somebody do this on YouTube, so I'm like, hey, why not try it, see if it works. Okay, and then we're gonna blend that out. Today's look, we will be doing like a fall look. So we're gonna start out with the Juvia's Warrior, the Warrior palette, I think. The Amazon's, whatever it's called, y'all know. We're gonna start out with this Kano color right here, and we're just going to apply that all up in there, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna go back in again with that Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to use the color Mino or Mino no. So we're gonna go in and just put that all over the lid. Up in that crease, let's go. Looks a little dark, but we're gonna work with it. Okay, so now I am blending that dark out because it was looking a little crazy. So we just gonna blend, blend, blend. Alright, so we're gonna go in and cut crease. You guys know I am kind of low on storage, so I'm gonna do this off camera. If you guys are interested in seeing this, all of my other videos do have me doing a cut crease, so you can definitely feel free to watch the other videos. But we are going to be using the Makeup Revolution. I don't know if you guys can see that, and this is in the color Halo, so, or it's white, but the name is Halo. Whatever, but I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back. All right guys, so we have finished the cut crease and we've added just a little bit of shadow to the ends to smoke that out. We are now going in with my favorite, Sunburst. Ooh, can you see it? I don't think you can, but this is Sunburst, and we're just going to add that to the lids just to give us, again, that little fall but summery look. I want to try to turn this down so you guys can see, hopefully. I'm not sure, but turn down the lighting. Turn down the lights. Oh, I just love that color. So damn pretty. You guys see that? It's like a light color, but then it has like this greenish blue tint. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I love this, like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this color. Like, this color, ooh, it's my freaking favorite. Do you guys see? Oh, it's just so fucking gorgeous. Okay, so I've added the Sunburst to my other lid. I'm absolutely in love with this. I am now going to add my eyeliner and my lashes, and then we will be back, mama. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've already added my highlight to my face as well as my foundation. I've also added like a hint of blue liner right there. And so now we are going to try this, which is the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I got it in the shade Dark to Deep. So we're gonna try this and see. I normally contour with like a cream stick, but let's just see how this works out, guys. I'm starting out with the contour shade, which is that dark shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, the dark shade right there, and let's see what happens. So I just put a little bit on there. Ooh. Oh, that's pigmented. Very pigmented. Normally I have to like dip a couple times in order to get it to work. But yeah, that came through and showed out. Now I'm probably gonna have to correct that because we went in a little bit too deep, but let's see. I'm gonna do the other side as well. I'll go back and fix that because that's a little bit too dark. Jeez, that's like, damn, that's pigmented, like very pigmented. Jeez Louise. Doesn't take a lot. Do you see my forehead right now? Like, oh my gosh. We're gonna have to blend in order to recover from this, because that is, yeah, that's a contour for you. Shit. Yeah, that's totally a contour. I'm gonna take this brush just to kind of loosen up that contour a little bit and blend it out. Jeez Louise. I mean, I like a deep contour, but I just wasn't expecting it to be that freaking pigmented. Like, damn. Okay. Yeah, I think that's better. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay, so now that we've taken care of that, I'm going to go in with this sculpt. Let's see what happens with that. I have learned my lesson. Probably not gonna take too much. Don't want no problems. Ooh, that's beautiful. I like that. Yeah, it kind of just brings out that cheekbone. Yeah, I totally like this. Yep. This is pretty awesome, especially for the cheapy cheap. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. It wasn't super expensive. I think this one I got it from Target because Walmart was sold out. This has been on the market for a while. I'm just now getting onto it. But yeah, it was like $8, I think. The other colors, like the medium to dark or whatever. Which one is this one? Yeah, this one's dark to deep. The medium to dark or whatever was like $6, I think, because this one just came out. It's a little bit more expensive. But yeah, I totally like where this is going. This is awesome. Like, my face looks snatched, honey. I like it. Okay, guys, so I've already added the mascara to my bottom lashes and my lipstick. I've already set it. So what we're gonna do is just remove any extra setting powder off of our face. Now we're gonna go in and add our blush, and then we're going to see how that highlight sits with that palette. Kind of forgot my words there. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go in with the highlight that is in that palette, this one right here. I'm a little scared because all the rest of the stuff has been super pigmented, and I normally do not use this brush. I use a fan brush, but I'm a little scared to use a fan brush because yeah, I mean, it's just super pigmented and I'm a little nervous, but let's go for it and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna take it like this. We're just gonna apply that. Ooh, I like it. That's pretty. Very soft and subtle. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna do like a little bit more because y'all know I like to be a little bit bright, but oh, that didn't even take that many strokes. I like it. Oh. Okay, so now we're gonna highlight down the nose. I'm trying to think of which one I want to use. Okay, so let's do this one. Down the nose here. A little brightness. I love how it's so soft, but it's also like super pigmented. Y'all know how I feel about pigments and stuff, and this is just really good. Okay, so to blend it out, we're now gonna take this little highlighter blush, fluffy brush. I think it's called a highlighter brush. It's from Morphe. It's a M510, and we're just gonna blend this out. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I'm just like barely tapping it just to blend it out. But this is so pretty. Like, so flippin' pretty. I think I'm gonna even do like a little bit on my forehead, just like a little dab. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see like how my face is like super chiseled now? This is gorgeous. The contour, the highlight, like this is okay. Okay, Black Radiance, come through. Come through. Is this something that I would recommend? Totally, for the price. Like, I have other products and I don't think that I've been able to achieve like this chiseled look with other products. So yeah, like I would for sure recommend this. This is amazing. I think I might even go back and get the medium to dark one just for like my lighter complected beauties that I do, like, because I have clients. So yeah, but totally recommend this product. What is this? True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. Totally, hands down, recommend this product. Yes. Okay, and another product that I would recommend is this LA Girl Shimmer Spray. It's a setting spray. I think it was only like $4 at Ulta. Don't give me the lying. But I use this when I don't want to use my expensive Urban Decay to set. So we're going to use this and just set. Oh, I got a little bit of my eye. Okay. Yeah, this is... I'm gonna go get changed and then I'll come back so you guys can see like the full effect of this look, and you guys can let me know what you're thinking. But I don't know if you guys can see the shadow. Like, oh my gosh, let me see if I can turn this down a little bit. You guys see like the shadows? Oh, just so pretty. Okay, so I'll be back.